Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the disown command. It provides a way to detach a process you're running from your login session so that it isn't killed when you log out. This means that the process can continue running even though you just logged off the system. The disown command is a built-in that works with shells like bash. To use it, you just type disown followed by a process ID, like that. Now I'll show you an example. Here we're going to run a script called MyScript, and I'm going to put it in the background, and it's running. And if I type jobs, I can see it's running there. But now I'm going to disown it. So I'm going to disown, and what's the number? 1063554. Now I've typed jobs. It's no longer showing up in my jobs queue, though it is still running, and I could find it like this. And you can see the process is running and my search for the process. Now, if you log off and back in, the process will probably have finished. If it's still running, though, you'll still see it in your PS output, but it won't be associated with your login shell, so it won't show up when you just type jobs. And it won't be affected if it's still running when you log off again. Well, that's your Linux tip for the disown command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.